was somebody like taking pictures of me in the bathroom, and they like pulled the security footage. I just don't want the guy like coming back here and doing that to anybody else. I had asked the guy like to delete the videos, and he said that he didn't get any, and they showed me his camera roll. There was nothing there.
What do you mean by taking pictures of you? Were you like naked? Were you?
Yeah, I was using the restroom.
Were you naked?
I wasn't naked. My pants were down though.
Did he take a picture of your private part, like your penis?
I mean, when he put the phone underneath, my penis was out.
What do you mean by put the phone on? What do you mean?
Like he was in the stall. He was in the stall.
When you were doing your business, did you have anything shown?
Yes. I mean, he put the phone underneath the stall, from the stall next to me, and I was pants down at the moment.
So you tell me, like, were you taking a leak?
Yeah.
And you say you push your phone under the stall?
Yeah, and then when I went to go wash my hands, he tried to do it again, and I saw it, and then I tried to grab the phone, and then he said, "Why are you trying to steal my phone?" And I said, "You were trying to take pictures of me," and then he tried to show me that he wasn't taking pictures of me.
Okay, that's kind of weird. So, what bathroom is it? Can you show me?
It was this bathroom right here.
Can you show me? How you doing?
A confused victim, a phone that gives nothing up, and a suspect calm enough to walk away. This one ended differently, and the reason has almost nothing to do with what was filmed that day.
So you were in here?
I was standing right here at the time.
Taking a leak. And how did he get to take a picture of your penis?
From under there, like with his phone upside down, and then I noticed, and then I walked over here, and then when I saw the phone peek out a little bit,
Did you saw your penis on the phone?
I didn't see it on the phone.
So what I'm trying to get to, if he put his camera under here, yeah, I mean,
yeah,
there's no guarantee to get to like your penis, you know. But I mean,
if you have the camera like,
no, it was completely underneath. Like look at where.
Yeah, it's gonna be.
The camera was completely past.
It's gonna be facing up, unless you got something that could actually reach and like turn vertical and they could look or something.
I mean, can I see somebody's phone real quick? I can show you like kind of what he was doing.
if you zoom all the way out, then you can see everything underway.
Digital voyeurism is one of the hardest crimes to prosecute, and the reason is structural. The evidence sits on a device the suspect controls and can delete in seconds. By the time officers arrive, all that's usually left is a victim's word against an empty camera roll. That gap between what someone clearly did and what can actually be proven is where most of these cases quietly disappear.
But you didn't see you didn't get to see the picture on his phone, right?
No. No, he showed me his camera roll and then he just screenshots of whatever his business was.
So you didn't see?
I
Oh.
mean, he could have easily deleted it because there was probably like 6 or 7 seconds before he came out of the
So you
stall.
didn't know if he was taking picture or recording, and you just saw him put his phone there?
No, but he did it multiple times, so...
No. I'm saying you had no idea if he was recording.
Right.
And you didn't see a picture.
No.
Okay, that's all I'm trying to
The
verify.
camera was underneath the stall, 100%.
So for it to be a crime, would I have to like physically record it, or have like you have to directly see a picture on his stuff on his phone. But if you just saw the phone came down there,
I mean, he could have easily deleted
no,
it.
I'm not saying.
So,
No, I'm trying to say like when you try to verify a crime, we can't say he could have or you know,
right.
it got to be direct. Like either you saw a picture on his phone of yourself, or you physically saw him recording. Or you said you saw the phone, but yeah.
Like the camera was open, I just didn't see
If it was recording?
picture, right.
Okay, gotcha. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. We just gotta verify all that stuff. But regardless, he's already left. I mean, if you guys see him come back here, that's the only thing we can do is like try to trespass him if he comes back here. All right, I'm gonna come back in. I'm gonna verify some stuff and I'm gonna come back. You say you got the footage. Okay, can you take me to the office?
Kristen, is this the person you saw video recording you in the bathroom stall?
No, this guy looks more heavy set.
Okay. Is this the person you saw video recording you in the bathroom stall?
Maybe, but I don't remember like his neck being so fat. He looked a little more slim.
Okay. I remember things like hairstyle, facial hair, and appearance in general can be easily changed. And remember the complexion in these colors can be slightly different. Okay. Is this the person you saw video recording you in the bathroom stall?
I think this is the guy.
Okay.
Obviously, I was in shock in the moment, so I couldn't really, like.
No, of course. Okay.
I mean, the only thing I see different is his hair.
Okay.
But obviously, that it would. Any other guy that I was looking at had nothing similar to his hair, so this is the only similar picture I see, and he looks exactly like the guy. Only thing that's throwing me off is right here, because he didn't look as
Like the neck?
big. Yeah.
Okay, so this guy's like a kind of like a fat neck, you're saying?
Yeah.
Okay.
But his face does look very familiar, and like this is the only one that I really recognize.
All right, so this one is maybe I think this is the guy, like the eyes, nose, mouth section, maybe the ears a little bit. When you put one like this, is kind of
exactly.
what reminds you. All right. I'm going to show you the whole thing again. Obviously, there's rules, okay? That's photograph number 3.
Definitely not.
Okay. Here's number 4 again.
I'm Detective Graber. I'm with the City of Plantation Police Department. You're being placed under arrest for video voyeurism from an event that happened October 22nd at Broward Mall. So you are in custody. Did you want to talk to us about that incident? And if you do, I'd have to read you your Miranda rights. You don't have to talk to me. So that's totally up to you. No? Okay. You drove a vehicle here, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Where is it?
It's in the parking garage.
Okay. The parking garage across the street? Okay. Is it registered to you?
Yes.
Okay.
Somebody could call my mother and she could.
So
come
what
and get
I
the
have
card.
to do is your cell phone in there?
Yes.
Okay. So just to explain what I have to do, you are in custody. You don't have to talk to me. This is separate, but I'm going to have to do what's called a seizure warrant and a search warrant that's going to be taken from here to our police department. I will do you a courtesy of getting your mom's information, and if you give her permission to pick it up, I'll release it to her so it doesn't go to a tow yard.
Yeah.
Okay, does that sound fair?
Yeah.
Okay. So the purpose of the search warrant, because we do seizure warrant, which means I have to do a warrant to get your car from here and bring it to my police department, and then a search warrant on your vehicle for the sole purpose of getting your phone. And then I have to get a search warrant for your phone. Okay? Is there a passcode on it that you're willing to give me? If you don't have to, you don't have to give it to me. I'm just telling you, you don't have to.
No, I understand that.
Okay.
So, the point of all of this is to search my phone.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct.
What if I just give you permission to search my phone? Does
Well,
that make it
because-
easier?
well,
Can we-
Because you're in custody, the law says that you would have to have the opportunity to revoke consent. And because you'll be booked in and away from me, you can't do that, and that's not fair to you. Does that make
Right.
sense? If I have a passcode, it goes faster, but that's your
Yeah.
choice and decision.
No, I mean,
completely
I have no
for you.
issue with you looking at my
Okay.
phone. I wish you could just look at it and be done with it.
Right. Well, with the passcode, it's faster, but
I
again,
understand.
that's your choice and decision.
Yeah.
We have an in-house digital
No, that's
forensic
fine.
unit, so it doesn't have to get sent out. So, what's the passcode?
0072.
We're just waiting for the road patrol guy. He's like a couple minutes away. So I'm just like kind of standing back here. Do you have any questions for me? And if I can't answer them, I'll tell you I can't answer them. If it's directly involved with this because you invoked your right not to talk to me or incriminate yourself, which is your right, your right to an attorney and all that stuff. So if you have like general questions for me, I can answer those. Beyond, if the incident took place October 22nd at the Broward Mall, it's a video voyeurism.
No,
That's
my
about it.
question is like, how long is this gonna take? Seriously, I mean,
Just getting booked in.
For,
Okay, he's right there.
for-
Like the whole process of getting booked in and like seeing if you have a bond.
Yeah,
It's early enough
for
that you
me,
should get to
it's-
bond for the 1 o'clock. You think?
I think so. Because I mean,
It's like
you have no
not-
medical issues. You're not going to have any issues. You're just going to go in, get booked, and then you'll get in there. I mean, it's literally 3 blocks away. So it's,
you'll probably make the 1 o'clock bond hearing. Realistically,
Okay,
because it's
but
9
then,
a.m.
then the issue is that I'm on federal probation, so they're going to say that I violated federal probation. And
But that's between you
pick
and
me up
this
for
court.
that. Yeah. So this, how long is it going to take them to like search the phone? Will they do that
It's in-house.
immediately,
So-
or
it depends on.
is that going to be like 2 weeks from now?
Oh,
they're going to do
no,
that?
no, we have in-house.
I can't give you a timeline because I do it anyway, so I do all the digital forensics with another subject, another retiree. So give this as passcode really expedites it. Now it also depends on, like software conflictions and stuff like that.
Oh, what car do you have? I'm sorry. What's your car?
It's a Jeep Renegade.
A photograph of a bathroom floor on a phone belonging to a registered sex offender isn't evidence about an incident. It's evidence about a habit. Investigators in this category know what location scouting looks like.
He's just gonna have to pat you down. This is Officer Cedano.
I'll get my name right one day.
He has a
Cedano.
in my pocket.
Can you do his BSO property?
3 pages, correct?
What happened?
3 pages.
Oh yeah, I gotta write something. I gotta handwrite something on it.
Yep.
And you got the immigration form. Thank you. I forgot. He's born in Ohio. Is there anything else?
No, it's just this and the immigration form.
Okay.
Anything else you have is still awesome.
Got it. Okay.
No problem.
Thank you so much.
There's any issues, please call me.
David, 46, of Fort Lauderdale, was charged with digital voyeurism following his arrest by Plantation Police. He was booked into the Broward Sheriff's Office Paul Rain Detention Facility in Pompano Beach, with bond set at $50,000. He is also facing a federal probation violation tied to a 2019 conviction for possession of illegal material involving minors. The same conviction that placed him under the supervision schedule that ultimately closed the Broward Mall case 6 years later. The probation violation, on its own, can carry a return to federal custody, and in cases involving the Federal Offender Registry, the consequences of a violation are typically more severe than the underlying state charge that triggered them. What's worth sitting with isn't the arrest, it's how narrowly it happened. A 17-year-old confronted a stranger, was met with a clean denial, and watched him walk out before a license plate could be recorded. By every signal at the scene, this case should have died there. It didn't survive because of a warrant, a forensic breakthrough, or a confession. It survived because 6 years earlier, in a federal courtroom, a decision was made that put someone in charge of monitoring this person's phone. That decision wasn't made for this case. It was made for the last one. There's no clean lesson in that, just a quiet observation. The cases that get solved aren't always the ones with the strongest evidence. Sometimes they're just the ones where the timing happens to overlap with somebody else's job. And every case in this category that doesn't have that overlap is still out there, unwatched, unfiled, and, for now, unanswered.